Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can download Fortnite on PC or laptop. Before we get started, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It really means a lot to me. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for store.epicgames.com. In the official website, log in using your account and you will be redirected to the home page of your account. After logging in, search for Fortnite and click on the Get button. Now, purchase the game for free and the Epic Games launcher will start downloading. Once it is installed, log in using the same account and the Epic Games launcher will be launched. Now, search for Fortnite and add it to your library. Then, go to your library, open the game and download it. So that's how you can download Fortnite on PC. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.